Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Metagenics UltraInflamX Plus 360. This is their chocolate orange flavor. They said they reformulated it and it's supposed to taste a lot better. Here's the back. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, so it's in there and we are going to add the water. I'm just going to do a quick sip here. Okay, so the orange flavor really comes through. The chocolate flavor is there, but it's really subtle compared to the orange aroma. Not bad actually, so it does taste different than the original recipe, so definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post them below and subscribe to the channel.